So I have already created my background layer, and now select the text tool, left click, and then type your text. As you can see here in the justify, I made it centered. And now Control A to select all the text. I'm going to change the font to Anton. And then I'm going to change the size to 250, press enter. And now select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is relative to the image. And now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. And now go to filter, distort, and then select ripple. And now in the wave type here, instead of sine, left click, select triangle. I'm going to increase the period. So I'm going to leave it here to 860 or 70. And then I'm going to increase the amplitude here to give it the isometric look. So I can also, for example, play with the period here. So I think I'm going to leave it here for the period. And now let's see the amplitude. So for the phase shift, it will just change. It starts from here down or up. So like this. So here it is. So I think I'm going to leave it like this. So I think here I'm okay. And the angle. So I think I'm going to leave it on 0 for the angle. So I'm going to and also check the tileable to see the effect. So here it doesn't give a good effect. Let's uncheck it and now just press OK. And now go to filter. I'm going to add a long shadow, light and shadow, and then select long shadow. Change the color here to black, left click, change it to black, press OK. And then change the style to fading fixed length. And now for the angle. So I think I'm going to leave it here. And now here you can, for example, change the length. And here the midpoint. So I think I'm going to leave it with this one here and now press OK. And now as you can see, I still have my text layer. If I left click here on the FX here, these are the layer effects, the ripple one that made us the isometric look and the long shadow. So for example, I'm going to duplicate this one. I'm going to hide the top one. So as you can see, it increases the shadow. You can also, for example, reduce the opacity. So I'm going to hide the top one, select the bottom one, this one here. And now if you select the text tool, you can still change the text inside. So Control A to select. And now I'm going to type my text. I'm going to type the spacebar, Gimp, text, effect. So I can also go back here and then place it here like this. Can also, for example, Control A, can change the size, let's say 300. Or even change the font. So let's go back to our previous font. So I think I'm going to leave it here. And now let's select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is relative to the image. And now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. So there is a small issue here because of the ripple effect, but it's okay. I'm going to bring the previous one